What's your name?
My name is Candy.
Hi, Candy. How old are you? I'm 5 years old. How are you today, Candy? Happy. What color do you like? I like
Pink.
pink. And what color is the table? It's red. What animal do you like? I like. Do you like cats or dogs? I like cats. Wow. Candy, what food do you like? What food do you like? I like mangoes. Wow. Okay, let's do the speaking test now, okay? Speak loudly, okay? Let's start, Candy. Look at this and tell me what is this? My head. It's my tummy. Good. Next. It's my mouth. Next. Nose. Good. Next. They are
My feet.
good.
They
They
are my eyes.
good. Next. They
They
are
are my arms.
good.
They are my legs.
Good job. Okay. Now let's move on. Can you tell me what's this?
Lollipop.
This one.
That's sweet.
Very good. Do you want lollipop?
This I do.
Yes, please. Do you want ice cream? No, thank you. Or yes, please. No, thank you. What's this? What?
Water.
Next.
Juice.
Next.
Coffee.
Good job. Do you want some water?
This
Yes.
this believe.
Okay. Do you want some juice? No, thank you. Or yes, please.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Next. Do you want some coffee?
Thank you.
No, thank you. Good. Next. What's this? Beep, pa, 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 pa.
Present.
Pa, bear,
Penguin.
penguin. Puzzle. Again. Papa, pray,
Present.
papa,
Penguin.
papa,
Present.
puzzle. Oh, good. Next, what says ta, ta, tiger? Good. Okay. Here, Candy, tell me which one is bend. Bend. Can you tell me? Wow, what's this? Bend. Let's see. Sorry. Bend is yes. Great job. Next. What about which one is stretch? Stretch. Yay! Great job. Next, which one is put your arms down? Can you say the word? Put. Good job. Which one is drink the juice? Say the word. Drink the juice. Oh wow, great job. Next, which one is eat the